This is fisherman's favorite knot. Put the line through the eye of the hook. Pull the tag line back 5 inches. Wrap the tag line around the main line 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you're going to put the tag line through this loop near the eye of the hook. With your fishing line, hold the tag line and pull the main line. Cut your tag, but leave about 1/4 of an inch here in case the knot slips. Now that may be fisherman's favorite fishing knot, but it's not the strongest. Let's show you how we can make this knot with one extra step super strong. So we're going to start out with this much better fishing knot the same way. We're going to put the fishing line through the eye of the hook and pull it back 5 inches. Now we're going to wrap the tag line around the main line 5 times, just like we did with the clinch knot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just like the clinch knot, we're going to put the tag line through the loop near the eye of the hook. Now, instead of pulling the knot tight at this point, we're going to bring the tag line back through this loop to make the improved clinch knot. We're going to get the tag line and put it right through that loop we just created. Going to wet our fishing line and pull that tag line up a little and snug it up. Once it's snug, we're going to wet our fishing line and pull the main line. Like that. Once again, we're going to leave about 1/4 inch of tag. And cut your tag. Now that fishing knot won't slip out like the clinch knot will. This is a much stronger fishing knot.